So today I had to take apart an IMAC, a 20-inch education unit, and replace its hard drive because it failed. Well, turns out it was a little bit more than just a failed hard drive. Parts of it actually broke away. Here's the disassembly and markings on the cabling. And yeah, it wasn't a fun job today, but I got it done, and this is a little bit of an overview of how it went. So the SATA connector on this Mac actually busted off from the hard drive, and it had to be removed. As you can see here, the pins are okay, but the plastic that actually clips it in busted. So the only thing I had to kind of remove this piece of plastic that's wedged inside there is a little dental appliance, and it's a little dental pick right here. I had to buy that at Harbor Freight just for this job. Kind of annoying, but it is what it is. And here I finally get the bastard little piece of plastic out. It wasn't fun. Took about 15 minutes to finally remove, gradually sliding it back and forth, trying to avoid hitting the contacts, the little copper pins inside, but I did eventually get it removed. All that was left at this point was to go ahead and hook it up to the drive and make sure everything mounted correctly, and then give it a test boot, which I was dreading. So at this point I rigged up a temporary mount for the SSD, went ahead and connected everything and got it all assembled. You can see the parts there. Fired it up and got an OS X install running on it. Screen works fine, speakers work, good to go.